We have to start this video with a disclaimer. Conducting DDoS attacks without permission is illegal and unethical. This script is intended solely for educational purposes, and should only be used to test systems for which you have explicit permission to do so. DDoS attacks, or distributed denial of service attacks, aim to overwhelm a system's resources so that it cannot handle legitimate requests. By flooding the system with traffic, the attacker can cause it to slow down or crash, disrupting its services. Understanding DDoS attacks and how to handle them is crucial for anyone involved in cybersecurity. This Python script will demonstrate how to generate a large volume of requests to a server to simulate a DDoS attack. In this example, we're exploring distributed denial of service attacks. These attacks aim to make a server, network, or service unavailable to its intended users by overwhelming the target with a flood of internet traffic. This is one of the most robust and hardest to stop forms of cyber attack, but understanding it is key to effectively preventing and mitigating it. Our Python script demonstrates how one might simulate a DDoS attack to test a system's response. We create multiple threads, each sending multiple requests to a specified URL. In our script, the function send_requests sends a number of GET requests to a specified URL, printing the response status code each time. The function simulate_DDoS starts a specified number of these threads, each sending a specified number of requests. In our usage example, we simulate a DDoS attack by starting 10 threads, each of which sends 1,000 requests to http://example.com. Remember, this URL is for demonstration purposes only. Never attempt a DDoS simulation without explicit permission. Defending against DDoS attacks involves strategies like rate limiting, IP filtering, and implementing more complex defensive measures like using specialized DDoS protection systems. Always remember, understanding these attacks helps us to build stronger defenses and protect systems better. As we delve deeper into the world of cybersecurity, we continue to emphasize the importance of ethical hacking. We're learning about these techniques not to cause harm but to understand potential threats and protect against them. Stay safe and keep learning.